Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restore on the application of DuckDuckGo. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DuckDuckGo. If you find updates in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.